Hello, I hope you are doing okay. Today we're going to clean out our Nexus 220. I have my Evolution Aqua Nexus 220 for about 3 weeks right now. We've been cleaning it multiple times, and again today is a clean out day. I will show you how I clean out my filter, and I hope this will help you as well. So this is my Evolution Aqua, and we bought a cover. I just want to make sure that you guys know that the cover has a space in there. So I tried to modify it and cover it because I have a problem with mosquitoes. So we're lifting out the cover right now. It's very dirty. If you can see, there's a lot of gunk in the side of our easy pod. Let's open our easy pod and how it looks. The easy pod is so nasty. Okay, make sure you cut off your pump and then plug this plunge in the middle. This is to avoid the nasty water going to our outer chamber. We have two air bulbs. This air bulb is for the outer chamber, which is working right now, and this one is for our easy pod. We're going to use it when we clean it, so let's go ahead and turn it. We can turn off the outer air bulb so we have more pressure in our easy pod. So let the easy pod work for about 5 minutes. And don't forget to put your gauge so that the nasty water don't go back to your clean water from the pond. So your outflow, make sure it's up so the nasty water here does not go to this section of the water that goes to the pond. Have this pipe or any stick will work, and I try to kind of mix it. It helps it get all nasty stuff in the bottom. Or you can use your hand if you want to, but just wait until 5 minutes and then we can open the waste valve later. This is how nasty the water is compared to our outer chamber. And I also recommend having a brush to brush your outside easy pod, because some of the gunk are just sticking in outside. I don't really need to wait 5 minutes sometimes, just to mix all this gunk in the bottom. So the gate is still up. Some of the nasty water, the wastewater, still goes in here, so you can't really help that. I'm about to drain this nasty water, our wastewater. I will leave the air in here running while we take out this wastewater. Alright, let's open our wastewater bulb, and it goes there. It might take a while to drain all of those. So our wastewater is draining. So we just leave that air running. You can use the pond water to clean the bottom area. Just lift it like that, and it will usually clean the bottom area. You can use the pond water to clean the second clean, but I don't want to waste my pond water. I'll be using my city water, and I'll just clean this section in here. Alright, I want to clean it a second time, but I will use my city water. Just make sure you don't add water in the outer chamber where our bacteria are. So if you see those sides, there's a lot of gunks in there. That's why I use brush to clean it. So you can use your brush to clean it out. Also the sides. Alright, let's close this waste valve because I want to do the second cleaning. So for the second cleaning, I will be using the city water. It might take a while to fill it up, but it's saving me some water from my pond. I don't really want to use my water from the pond. So this is the second cleaning. I'm just keep adding water, city water. If you're wondering why am I using city water, it's okay because the media, the microbead in here doesn't really collect our live bacteria. This water goes to the wastewater bulb anyway, so we're not using this. Just make sure this plunge is really in there because we don't want this water going to our outer chamber where our microbacteria is. In the second clean out, I don't want to wait 5 minutes on this one since it's not as dirty as the first clean out that we did. And in the microbeads you can see it's pretty clean, so I'm happy with this. We're going to be done in about maybe a minute or so. And even though the water outside is still brown, I'm still good with that. So alright, our second clean out is gone, so we should be good to go. If you're like me who has problem with leaves, I have issue with leaves because of our neighbor's trees keep going to my pond, so that's why I have stuff in there. Okay, I'm about to add water from my pond. Make sure you turn your outside or outer chamber air. Then you can take out your plunge now. And take out the gate. Water is from the pond. Filling it out. Yeah, I have so many small pieces in there. That's from the leaves. So that is it. That's how you clean your Nexus 220. It's pretty easy, and so far I'm loving this Nexus. So we are done and ready. We'll put the top back and then turn on the pump. Alright, our top is back, and I also add the stuff for now so we don't have mosquito in our Nexus. Let's turn the water pump and we're good to go. Now we're back in business. So far my water is very clear and my koi are happy with the water quality.